Headers and footers are standard text that appears on every page of the report. A header prints in the top margin of the page, and a footer prints in the bottom margin. Both are centered vertically in the margins, and, unless you specify otherwise, Excel does not automatically add either to a new workbook. To add a header or footer to your report, go to Page Layout View by clicking the button on the status bar. Then, position the mouse pointer over the section in the top margin of the first page marked Click to Add Header, or in the bottom margin of the first page marked Click to Add Footer. To create a centered header or footer, click the center section of this area to set the insertion point in the middle of the section. To add a left-aligned header or footer, click the left section to set the insertion point flush with the left edge. Or to add a right-aligned header or footer, click the right section to set the insertion point flush with the right edge. Excel adds a Header and Footer Tools contextual tab with its own Design tab, which is divided into Header and Footer Elements, Navigation, and Options groups. With the Header and Footer command buttons on the Design tab, you can add stock headers and footers in an instant. Just click the command button and choose the one you want to use from the menu that appears. In Excel 2013, you can define a header or footer for the first page that's different from the rest of the pages. Just click the Different First Page checkbox, and then define the unique header and/or footer for just the first page. On the second page of the report, define the header and/or footer for the remaining pages. If you plan to do two-sided printing or copying of your spreadsheet report, you may want to define one header or footer for the even pages and one for the odd pages. That way, the information alternates between being right-aligned on the odd pages and left-aligned on the even ones. To create an alternating header or footer report, click the Different Odd and Even Pages checkbox. Then create a header or footer for the first page of the report in the third right-aligned section of the header or footer area, and then recreate this header or footer on the second page. But this time, create it in the first left-aligned section.